doesn't look so good right now.
I won't let you kill my sisters.
She's flipped out. Patio, fast, come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Don't.
She doesn't know we're her sisters. Okay, we gotta make her choose. We have to try and convince Astral Prue.
Make her want to be in two places at once. Ready? Yeah. Okay, go. Hi.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, no, you don't. No sneezing. Back off. No sneezing. Back off. Look out, people. Pregnant lady coming through.
Major sneeze. Hey, who turned out the lights? In the heat. Ugh.
I hate allergies. Oh my god.
How would you say we are doing?
Nosotros somos haciendo. Bless you. Salud.
How would you say we are doing?
Nosotros somos haciendo. Joe.
Nosotros estamos haciendo.
Dog. That was my brain.
Now then, I've got to choose from having a takeaway or Pudding. And then someone at work gave me some Easter treats, so Pudding it is. We have a Reese's egg, and we have these. I kept nearly putting the rubbish in here. Well then, milk.
Sorry. But I think this is gonna be bad.
I'm gonna let them out a little bit. Well, I've never tried one of these. Peanut butter's good. That's why it's been a month since I got that. Savouring this moment. Martin? That's me. Oh my god, this slaps. Oh my god, you melt in your mouth. Gonna get a sugar rush.
It smells like strawberry. I need to sneeze. Oh, okay. Cheers. It's like I need to sneeze again. It's good. Yes, I did. Okay.
Yeah, I just come out of a haze with that one, I can't lie. That was so good. I'll do that all over again. I'm gonna die sucks.
My nose just feels mentholated. Oh goodness.
say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported. Watch. Oh, this is ridiculous.